By using the Samsung Galaxy A14, A145M, EMMC ISP pinout, you can easily restore the stock ROM, bypass FRP lock, remove MDM passcode lost mode, device lock, no downloads mode, no recovery, and remove FRP direct by Easy JTAG Plus or UFI box. In this guide, we will show you the tested and working image of the UFS pinout and test point for the Honor X8A. Remove pattern lock, screen lock, finger lock in Samsung Galaxy A14 A145M with Octopus box. You can easily solve with this method if you are a fresher technician or experienced technician in Android software related. If the error occurs of USB not recognized, then your USB is not working. If a battery is not charged, your USB socket will not properly work and you will fail in this method. If any issues, please write your questions in the comment box. I will try my best to help you. You can easily get the Samsung Galaxy A14 SM, A145M ISP pinout connection of the Honor X8A by following the full guide below along with images. By using the ISP pinout, you can bypass FRP lock or reset user data on your device via Easy JTAG Plus box, Octopus box, or any other tool. Check out the below guide. What is Samsung Galaxy A14, A145M ISP pinout? ISP means in-system programming. That in-system programming, ISP, allows communication to take place with a target chip without the need to remove it. The main advantage of this method is the possibility to communicate with a target chip EMMC or EMCP bypassing the CPU. It brings higher speed for data extraction compared with JTAG, but it requires great soldering skills. ISP applied to forensics is the practice of connecting to an EMMC or EMCP flash memory chip for the purpose of downloading a device's complete memory contents. Samsung Galaxy A14, A145M, ISP EMMC pinout image. Hardware process. You need to take the rear case away from your phone. Next, unplug the motherboard from the existing battery, fingerprint sensor, and camera. Unscrew the screws from the motherboard and take it out and put it in a safe place. On your motherboard, locate the 6 EMMC pins. The pins are DAT0, CLK, CMD, GND, VCC, and VCCQ. You will require to cut through the steel cover to reveal them. Bring the UFI box and take the adapter out of it. You will see the exact same pins in the adapter I have mentioned in the previous step. Solder the 4 pins, DAT0, CLK, CMD, and GND with jumpers between the motherboard and the adapter. Left the VCC and VCCQ for the USB to power them out. Put the adapter inside the UFI box. Connect the box to the computer. Connect the motherboard to the phone's battery. Then, put the USB cable on the phone and connect it to the computer. Honor X8A repair deadboot or any brand phone, you need 2 dongles. Best in the market, one is Easy JTAG Plus and another is UFI box. Both are best in the market. Those boxes help some phones after flashing the wrong firmware and not showing booting on screen. You need those boxes for boot repair. For some brands, not possible lock remove like a pin, pattern, password, FRP, and MDM lock. This really supports for remove locks. How to remove Samsung Galaxy A14, A145M, FRP lock using Octopus box. Connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. Open the Octopus box software on your computer. Select the model of your device and click on the EMMC tab. Choose the EMMC ISP pinout option. Click on the Read EMMC Info button to identify your device's EMMC chipset. Select the appropriate EMMC chipset from the drop-down list. Click on the Connect button to connect to your device's EMMC. You will now be able to perform various repair tasks using the EMMC ISP pinout, such as read/write EMMC firmware, format EMMC, or even unbrick dead devices. Note, it is important to ensure that you have the correct EMMC ISP pinout for your device model, as using the wrong pinout can cause further damage to your device. Also, make sure to follow the instructions carefully to avoid any errors or damage to your device.